Hi everybody, Paul here. I want to just show you real quickly how to locate the igniter and remove the igniter on a Carrier 9200. Just remove the cover. All you got to do is just loosen these two straps here. That holes will slip right, that pipe will slip right out there. And then this is the one that really gets in the way. But once you get this bottom pipe out of the way, then you'll be able to slip this one here. It's pretty tight in here. Once you get this pipe here slid back, then you can gain access to this thing. And the igniter, so in relation to this right here, it's just to the right and back in here, and it's right here. It's this right here. I've already removed the screw. There's a screw. It's held by one screw. And the screw is right here where my index finger is pointing. Just undo that screw and it'll drop out, and then you'll be able to remove it. And so there it is right there. The igniter will just slip out of this sheet metal part once you loosen that screw, and then just slip the new one in and put it back all together. So easy job, but it's the igniter, and very common to go out on furnaces. So I hope this helps somebody out there, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.